Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about some more triangle patterns. See here, this is the first triangle pattern. If I give input as 4, you have to print 1 in next line, 2, 3 in next line, 4, 5, 6 in next line, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the first pattern. So how to approach this pattern? Just see here, this is the row number and column number configuration. Yes. Now observe here. Here is 1 and here is 2, 3. Here is 4, 5, 6. So I can say it is continuous in nature. It is continuous, right? So by using this continuous concept, we can say just take a number, just take a variable called number and initialize with 1. In each and every iteration, we want to make it as then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, like that. We know, as of now, we know how to print this triangle. How to print this triangle. Yes, and then we know how to print or how to update each and every values. So by combining these two, I can say I can clear or I can solve this problem. Yes. Now let's see how to code it up, right? See here, just number is equal to 1 for I in range of n, for j in range of I plus 1, print num comma n is equal to some space, and then num plus is equal to 1. Just print. So I have told you, right, in each and every iteration we want to what? Increment the number by 1. So that's what this approach. See here, let me submit it. This is my output. Yes, but still, if I ask you to do without using this number variable, if I ask you to do without using this number variable, how can we approach this problem? Fine, let's see that this is my row number. Okay, for row number 1, I want to print the number 1. In row number 1, I want to print the number as 1. In row number 2, I want to print what? 2 first and then 3. Sorry, for row number 1, I want to print 2 first and then 3. Okay. Okay. And then for row number 2, I want to print 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. So by seeing this, I can say it is a sum of elements. It is a sum of elements. What is sum of elements? In this playlist, I have already taught you the number manipulation. In that concept, I have already shown how to calculate the sum of n natural numbers, right? Sum of n natural numbers. Just observe carefully. I can say for this position, I want to do a sum of n natural numbers up to 0. So it is just 1. For this position, I want to do sum of natural numbers to 1. For this position, I want to do sum of natural numbers to what? 3. So by seeing this, I can derive a formula like if I want this 4 here and this row number is 2, how can I generate this 4 from the row value as 2? If the row value is 2, I can say already 3 values are completed, which is equal to sum of what? Two natural numbers. Two natural numbers. So I can say what is mean by sum of two natural numbers? It means 1 plus 2, which is equal to what? 3. Do you understand? So we have already completed how much? 3. Fine. So 2 plus 1, which is equal to 4. So 4 is the starting value. Fine. Now, and the next value is 5. So plus 1, which is equal to 5. Then the next value is 6. So plus 1, which is equal to 6. So how to achieve this 5 and 6? Simple. Yes. See here. First of all, this at this 4, the value of column is 0. Is 0. And for this 5, the value of column is 1. And this for 6, the value of column is 2. So I can say that if I find this initial value and then do plus 1, I will get this 5, and then plus 2, I get this 6. So this 1 and this 2 are the value of j. I can say when the j value is 0, when j value is 0, I got this 4. When j value is 1, I got this what 5. When j value is 2, I get this 6. So I can say I want to plus that j. So what will be the final formula? My formula will be, what is the formula? If just assume this example and just try to say, if it is 2, if it is 2, I want to do sum of two natural numbers. So what is the formula of two natural numbers? So row number into row number plus 1. So this is the sum of n natural numbers. So I have to do for row number. Okay, so I have done this successfully. So this is my first part. And then what is my second part? My second part is to what? Just add 1. First of all, we want to add 1. So just add 1, add 1. So this is my second part. And what is the third part? While iterating through each and every time, we want to add what? Just j. So what is my third part? Is just add j during the iteration. So this is the third part. By combining these three, I can say row number into row number plus 1 plus j plus 1 should be my printing value. Just observe carefully. This is my printing value. Yes, now we have concluded by some using some formulas. Let's implement it in the code. If you don't understand it, just watch it again so that you can understand it. Okay, see here, same thing. We don't want this variable. Here, I just wrote the formula which I told you in the earlier stage, right? Wait, I just wrote the formula wrong. See here, I want to do divided by 2. Okay, divided by 2, and then sum of n natural numbers is what? N into n plus 1 divided by 2, right? Just I wrote wrongly. Just make it clear. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Will it print? Let us check. I'm just submitted it. Yes, it is printing. So this is how we want to convert a relationship into a formula. Okay, so this problem illustrates that scenario. Now let's see another problem. 1 3 3 5 5 5 7 7 7 9 9 9 9. So this also we can do by using what triangle? See here, just I first I write the row number and column number relationship. Here I wrote the row number and column number relationship. Now this is a what triangle? This triangle. Yes, we already learned about how to print this triangle. If you don't know about this, just go to the above videos and just learn it in the playlist, then come to this video. Okay, I taught this kinds of triangles in detailed manner. Now just observe this. I want to print 1 in the 0th row. When the row number is 0, I want to print 1. When the row number is 1, I want to print 3 3. So first of all, I found the relationship is between row number. Yes, first of all, I found the relationship is between what? Row number. So this is my first observation. Now what is my second observation? I can say initially my number is starting from 1. So I can say just keep numbers 1, and then in each and every iteration for the row, each and every row, this row is 1. Yes, for this row, just I write here, for this row it is 1, and then for this row plus 2 is equal to 3, then plus 2, then plus 2, then plus 2. I can say in each and every iteration I want to do plus 2 for this number. Yes, that's all about the code. And then now let's discuss about a tricky part. The tricky part is without using the variable, without using this variable. So how to solve it? Let's see here. We first found the relationship is between what? Row number. So by using that row number, whether we can do some relationship, I can create some relationship. Let's see. Here is the row number is 1, sorry 0, and the result is 1. Here the row number is 1 and the result is 3. Here 2, here 5, here 3, here 7, here 4, here 9. Just pause the video and find whether we can relate this both. If not, you can watch the video in sorry, you can watch this video. I will explain this in clear manner. Okay, now observe carefully. I can say while 0 I'm printing 1. Okay, for 2 I'm printing what? 5. For 4 I'm printing what? 9. And for 3 I'm printing what? 7. So by seeing all this stuff, I can say 2 into what? Row. 2 into row will give me what? Here 0, here, yes, here 4, here 8, here 6. But we want how much? Here 1, here 5, here 9, here 7. So plus 1. So this is my formula. So this is my formula. So I got a formula. So we got a formula as what? 2 into row number plus 1. So this is the formula. Just apply it. Just apply it here. Fine. Fine. I just apply it here. Okay. See here. Here I used a minus 1. Why I used minus 1? Because I just used plus 1 for I. Okay. Here I have wrote what? 2 into I plus 1. 2 into I plus 1. Just see, these both are same. These both equations are same. Let me explain that. See here. In question, I have wrote what? 2 into r plus 1 minus 1. This is my solution. Yes, this is my solution. Let's multiply 2r plus 2 minus 1, which is equal to what? 2r plus 1. So this two are equal. Okay, we can write any of the formula. While solving that question, I wrote that formula. While teaching for you, I wrote this formula. Okay. By the end, these two formulas are same. Fine. Let's just see that formula. This is a formula. Let me submit it. Yes, it is running successfully, but still we can also use what? Just that's all. By using the BODMAS rule, it's obviously first take the multiple and then take the sum. Let me sum it again. Yes, it is also running fine. Thank you.